Colorado winters are unpredictable. One minute it's clear skies, the next a blizzard. If you don't plan your move with precision, you're risking delays, damaged belongings, and major stress. The stakes: lost time, wasted money, and potentially dangerous conditions. Solution: plan smart. Avoid peak storm months like January and February. Lock in a mid-morning move. Roads are safer, temps are less brutal. And always monitor the 10-day forecast. Partner with movers who adjust to weather updates in real time. The right team won't gamble with your schedule or safety. Winter won't wait. You either stay ahead of it or get buried by it.